And so today, when we look at Joseph, yes, he was from Cyprus. And he was coming from a wealthy family, Jewish family. But he had encountered Jesus. And he was probably, they say, one of the 72 whom Jesus sent with this kind of a command. Now, when Jesus died, the Jerusalem community also had him there. And they were struggling. They were kind of ostracized because they were now no longer Jews but Christians. So one of the things that he did was, he had a big property, he sold it and brought the money and gave it to the apostles and said, do with it whatever you have to do. They were simply amazed and astounded. And they said, he is truly a person of encouragement. He encouraged the fledgling church in the beginning. They were struggling. And then they sent him on a mission to Antioch. That's where he also went to Tarsus and called Paul, because Paul was discouraged in some other place. And so he had retrieved in a way. And he got him and said, come on, let's do work here. And both of them worked very hard for over a year in Antioch. And that's where we have heard those who had been baptized were called Christians. Because they understood that they were not by themselves, they were in Christ.